Your magnetic heading is 100 degrees. The relative bearing to an NDB, which you have selected, is 050 degrees. What is the bearing required to steer to the station? To find the answer for this, we just need to know this rule. Bearing to station is magnetic heading plus relative bearing. My magnetic heading 100 plus my relative bearing, which is 50, equal 150. So the answer is 150, simple. Your magnetic heading is 100, and the relative bearing to an NDB is 050 degrees. If you want to intercept an inbound track of 090 using a 90 intercept angle, what heading you should turn to? I will draw to show you the idea of it. First, where am I? My bearing to station is 150, which my bearing from station is reciprocal of BTS, that is 330. So on a map, I am here. Next, I want to intercept of 090 to the station. I want to head to 090, so we will go to this way. I want use 90 degrees cut angle to go there. But do I want to add 90 or subtract 90? That is the question. I am on the left side of the track I desire, so I need to steer to the right to intercept. Means I need to add from where? Add from the track I want to intercept, which is inbound track 090. 90 plus 90 is 180. So the answer is 180, simple. You're intercepting inbound track of 090 to a NDB station using a 90 degrees intercepting angle. Your magnetic heading is 180. What your relative bearing will be when you intercept this track. So I want to intercept to here. My magnetic heading is 180 for 090, which means I am coming from north, so maybe somewhere here. Now, when I intercept here, how do I know only using the relative bearing? There are two ways I use. First, draw. I will draw my plane here on the track, and heading is 180. From the heading, let's go to the clockwise. How many degrees we need to reach that 090? It will need 270 degrees, right? So the answer is 270. Second way, without drawing all this work. We know we had to add 90 degrees of cut angle to intercept the 090 because my heading is greater than the track I am intercepting. If I had to add the cut angle to intercept, we always need to do opposite to find the relative bearing when we intercept the track. So in this case, I know I need to subtract for this question. Subtract the cut angle, which is 90 degrees. From where? From 360, because 360 is my nose heading direction. Always add or subtract from 360 if it's inbound. So 360 minus 90 is 270. The answer is 270. Simple.